Hello and welcome to my video. This channel has been entirely about Rocket League so far, but I also love building and messing with computers. So that's what this video is going to be about. While I was stuck at home because of quarantine, I decided to mess with my case. Now this chassis is the MX330 from Cougar. A fantastic case, but only because it's so cheap. And as soon as you start upgrading, you're going to wish you bought something more premium. And since I plan to water cool this system soon, I'm going to need something better. But since I have a ridiculous amount of free time, I'm going to make this cheap box into something prettier instead of ordering a new chassis. Before this video, I painted the entire case white. I also hacked out all the PCI expansion lanes to make room for a vertical graphics card mount. But I'm not going to stop there. My plan is to remove the entire motherboard tray and the mounting for the front fans, as well as bending a new power supply shroud. But that will just sit on top of the current one. I think I'll attempt my own design on top of the power supply shroud and motherboard tray, but I'm not sure about that yet. So let's just hop right into this and see how it goes.
Invincible.